July 1st, we're watching this Colombian Air Force. They're practicing for an air show and they collided mid-air. And there were two that did not make it. Total tragedy here in Colombia. These were the aircraft here, the Embraer Tucanos, T-27s. And they're very experienced pilots, so I'm not sure what happened, but we'll probably find out a little later. But that's not the only one. June 30th, we're in Argentina, and this aircraft was practicing aerobatics for opening of a show. It's a 3-day event, and right at the beginning, this aircraft goes down. And it was this aircraft here, a Champion Super Decathlon aircraft, Lima Victor Hotel Whiskey Echo, two on board that one that also did not make it. So they were opening up for this Agronia kind of ag fest. You can see here June 30th, 1st and 2nd. And what a way to start the event with a crash. So hard to go over these. Just curious on what's going on around the world. Condolences to all the families and everyone involved. This is Arthur Amkioni. I'll see you guys next time.